Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor or the lecturer vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges. And here the opportunities are there for only postgraduates as well as the UGC NET candidates also. And for the application process, there is no application fee and there is no written examination also. The selection will be based upon the interview only, and from all over the India you may apply from any state. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the lecturer and the assistant professor recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the multiple colleges, it is the first college that we are going to see here. It is a Mukundra Patra Degree Mahavidyalaya. Okay, so from Balarampur, and here the walk-in interview is there on 12th Jan 2022. Okay, so morning 9 o'clock as per the program given below on the consolidated management payment. And the candidates have the requisite qualifications may appear the interview with their original certificates along with the complete biodata. So they require the lecturer in Odia, English, economics, education, history, political science, Sanskrit, sociology and botany. So one post each and the contractual basis, and the eligibility is the 55% at the post graduation level. Okay, only PG is enough, and the lab attendance also required in the botany and physics, one post each, and the matriculation pass. Okay. And while coming to the second college is the Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification on 5th Jan 2022, and here you may check down the subjects that assistant professor 2 vacancies are there, and yeah, the candidates will require to teach in full-time and part-time program of the School of Management and Labor Studies. So especially those associated with the CSOL coordinate fieldwork activities of student. Okay, so all these things, and persons are required specially to be able to teach the subjects such as research methodology, statistics, strategic management, organization development, operation management, marketing management, financial management, organizational behavior, human resource management, organization development and the change management and the leadership. So the remuneration will be as per the 7th CPC academic level 10, that is 57,100 to 1,82,400 rupees per month will be available, and eligibility criteria is given here. Master's degree with 50% of marks. Along with that one, the candidate must have the management UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there, and the PG degree must be in the management or psychology or the applied psychology from an Indian university or else the equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Okay, so these are the recruitment notifications, guys, and if the PhD is there, then those candidates will be preferred. Application fee is 1,000 rupees and the application fee for SC, ST, PWD is the 250 rupees. Okay, and the candidates requested to apply through online. So provided along with the advertisement on the institute website, you will get the online guys, and the last date for the submitting of online application form is 20th Jan 2022. And the shortlisted candidates will be sent a call letter and the link on the online interview. That means here for this selection purpose, the online interview will be done. Okay. So here the highlights of this job notification is that one is online interview and second one is level 10 pay scale you will get. Fine. So these are the highlights of this job notification. And coming to the next one is the wanted HOD or assistant professor female. So PhD or NET or SET or SLET candidates, and the subjects are Tamil, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, biotechnology, commerce, computer science, history, statistics and microbiology. Librarian, hostel warden, lab assistants, office assistants also required. So salary will not be constrained for the deserving candidates, and application within 7 days, either hard copy or else the mail ID. Okay, so here the mail ID is also provided, and the college is Padmavani Arts and Science College for Women, affiliated opposite the Periyar University from Tamil Nadu. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact them through this number. And the next one is the Karpagam institutions. So from this institutions here we got the multiple subjects recruitment notification, guys, and it is allowing the online application for these current vacancies. And you may check down senior professors, professor, associate and assistant professors in the Department of English, Automobile Engineering, Mathematics, Civil Engineering, Physics, Mechanical, Chemistry, Electronics and Communication, Electronics, Electrical and Electronics, Biotechnology, Computer Science, Microbiology, Biomedical, Biochemistry, Pharmacy, Bioinformatics, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Computer Science, Pharmacology, Information Technology, Architecture, MBA, MCA, Commerce Management. So if you are interested in this one, then click on this apply online and then you will be directed to the online application form, guys. And coming to the non-teaching vacancies, the hostel warden is there, student counselor is there. So for the student counselor, master in psychology is required, and the supervisor is also required. So housekeeping, mess and civil, okay, any degree with few relevant experience, and office managers, any degree with 5 years of experience, and the lab technicians degree or diploma in the relevant field of engineering or the science. Librarians also required. Okay, so the contact numbers are also provided, and if you want to apply for this one, here the apply online links are there for the individual category. So you have to click on that one and then you will be directed to the online application form. Okay, and coming to the next one is this one. So Swaminarayan Siddhanta Institute of Technology. So from this one we got the walk-in interview, and you have to bring the signed biodata, 2 passport size photographs, testimonial duly attested are invited for the faculty positions in civil, mechanical, electronics and telecommunication, computers, physics, chemistry, English, mathematics for diploma and engineering courses, and the faculty positions in computers, electronics and environmental engineering for the post-graduation courses. Lab assistants or attendants also required. Okay, soft copy of resume shall be mailed to jobs@ssit@gmail.com, and applicant can attend the interview from 10th Jan 2022 till 13th Jan 2022. The reporting time is morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 3 o'clock. Qualification pay scale as per the ACT and the Government of Maharashtra and the UGC norms. Okay, so these are the different job notifications from the multiple colleges, guys. So I think most of the subjects are covered in this video. So if your subjects are not there, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want